wouldn't have been in my house. It's...
My brain's hanging out the back of my head, but I'm still alive. I'm gonna sit here. Hey, you've gotta help me.
Who are you?
Number one, my hat's fucked. Hi, this is bleeding. My ass is bleeding.
Can you fuck up, please? You're rather freaky and you're fucking ugly.
Hey, you hurt my feelings.
Get the fuck off my land.
Okay.
What the fuck?
My ass is bleeding.
What the fuck? Hang on, this shit is fucked up.
You're really gonna help me, Sil?